All right, so we've been in our trailer here in Spain for a couple months at least, on and off.
Right? Like somewhere between 2 and 3 months, I guess.
Yeah, and I think I may have made a video on my Instagram. But anyway, I wanted to make a video for our YouTube channel for anyone who is curious and been following along. I made another video of our home that we sold in the U.S., and I've also put up a couple of other videos of some festivals that we've experienced here in Calella, which is the city that we live in Spain. But yeah, getting to the point, I wanted to post a video of the trailer that we purchased with the funds from the home that we sold in the U.S. And I figure we'll just kind of walk through and show everyone what we got going on here, and for any friends and family who are interested as well.
Right. I guess we start with the best part.
Yeah, here, let me.
The Mediterranean. It's not a huge bit, but we get to see her every day.
It's kind of hard to tell, actually, with the brightness of the reflection of the sun off of the sea there. But here's our little tiny garden, if anyone's curious.
Yeah, you guys know how we love our gardens.
We actually had a decent garden back in Arizona, and so we've been wanting to get something going here. But so far, we were only able to find a set of drawers that were actually in a chest down in the city. We stacked them up on our quintessential European shopping cart, and we wheeled them all the way back up here. So that's been a nice little garden bit for us. Should we walk around the trailer real quick, or
I'm sure.
it's kind of just
Just a basic.
yeah. So here, actually, this is considered like the front of the trailer. So our neighbors, we all move on this side of the trailer between each person's unit. It's considered rude to walk on.
So we come in here, everyone files through here.
Right. So this is where we would, let's say, enter into our trailer space. But it would be rude for us to continue walking through the front of everyone's trailer here. So our gas runs the stove and the hot water unit, correct? That's it, huh? So that's, we have that can's empty. This is our switch. We just switched them out. So this is kind of where we keep that. And then we actually keep the little bit of soil and our small thing of compost. We made like a makeshift compost there. But other than that, we've just got this little green area here, which we eventually hope to build a patio here. But that'll be another video. Excuse me. Yeah, that'll be another video at another time. But let's go into the main bedroom, I guess, here first. So this is the main bedroom. This is where we sleep. What size is that bed? Like a king?
No, this
Smaller?
is a queen.
Oh, a queen. So anyway, that's our awesome queen bed that takes up
back there.
our entire room. Yeah. So as Rachel was saying, there's a little closet here. So since we are limited on space, I keep my clothes in that closet. Rachel keeps hers in the adjacent room. But yeah, this is the media center here, I guess you would say. We've got some books and movies and such. We were able to actually get some movies in Spanish at the library, so that was pretty cool. And then if you look out the window, if you get the right angle, there's the sea out there. Once again, I think it was too bright to actually be able to see. Here's the bathroom. It's actually I'll jump back over there in a second.
Yeah, is it a water closet? What you
Yes.
technically call it, I guess.
So this is interesting. The sink and the shower are in this room. Just a little random view out. Oh, you can see the sea in between those trees there. See, it's there, I promise. But so yeah, this is the shower and the sink mirror, basically like all the components of your bathroom except for the toilet, which is back over here in its own little room. That's the water closet, or however that originally came about. But
it's a weird thing to get used to.
yeah,
but
that's a very interesting thing to get used to. So anyway, let's maybe head towards the second bedroom, huh? We don't.
And here we are.
Yeah. So when we first got this trailer, it had two of these IKEA type beds, and there was just like, a real thin alley here. But since we're already so tight on space, we got rid of the second one And I think we just put it out by the trash and someone snatched it up. But if we ever have a guest, we've got this single space here. Might be good for a single person or someone's child or something. But yeah, we usually keep that table. It folds down, and we keep it in here just for space as well. And there's just another shelf like in that room. And then here's all of Rachel's stuff in here, just kind of organized.
Closet.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good thing it's so organized. But that's basically how mine's set up in that corner over there. It's the exact same layout, and except for my stuff's in there. And here is the main portion of the trailer. Vaulted ceilings, living large here. Whoop whoop. And the shelving we've just kind of used to place our different souvenirs from our travels. And so that's basically really all we have displayed in the main portion of the trailer here, the dining, living, kitchen area.
Yeah, every one of those little knickknacks has a story, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, and so yeah, we don't have a television, but I'm assuming it would go here, right? So that's your plug and coaxial and such. Here's our hot water heater. It's kind of like a flash point, I guess you would say, like a point of interest hot water heater. Under here, we just have some storage space. We keep extra food. We have a ton of peanut butter, and like those are water filters for our like our big pitcher water filter. So we try to utilize space the best we can. Do you want to show them under there?
Yeah.
That's actually real quick. So under here is more storage space. We keep different things under there, different seasonal items. Like right now we have, our ponchos and stuff out in case it rains and different things of that nature under there.
Continues around.
Right, there's more storage under there as well. And then our tiny, tiny fridge. That's a pretty funny little guy. And our kitchen or our cooking area here, this is just 4 gas burners. We don't have a microwave. We do not have any oven or anything of that nature, so that's kind of fun. But yeah, here's our basically all of our food storage and dishes and such. One more thing as well, this table actually folds down, and if you give me a sec, I'll show you what I mean by folds down. It'll fold down flat, and it'll sit even with this, and we'll be able to put these cushions out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So we just real quick makeshift do that across there. But yeah, all the cushions, once the table flattens, they all lay flat down onto here to create another bed. So then you're able to fit another 2 people. It's not terribly bad, actually. Huh? What do you think?
No, actually, we spend a lot of time in the bed that way, too.
Yeah, we actually nap out here a lot.
In the summers, it's a lot cooler in this room.
Right, so we don't have an AC unit or anything in here yet, so it's not so terribly hot. I think it only got up to like just under 90, but the humidity was like 90 as well, so it's like crazy.
And this is a tin box.
Yeah, so it's like a little oven as well, but the humidity is crazy for us being that we're from the desert. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching along. I just want to say thanks to any friends and family, anyone who's joining us for the first time, or anyone who's a subscriber joining us again for this new video. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this little view of our trailer. And if anyone wouldn't mind taking the time, let me know how the quality of this video turned out. I'm actually recording this on a new phone, so I'm curious how the quality of the video was. But thanks again, and goodbye from Spain.